Hey guys, if you are going for the NSW driving license test in New South Wales, then must watch this video. Don't go for the test without watching this video. Some of the traffic lights are very confusing if you are taking the right turn, and many of the student, I would say 90% of the student fail in this test just because of this silly mistake. You must watch this video. I will be explaining you why this red light is very confusing, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let me explain you how is the confusion in this red light. See, some of the traffic lights are very confusing. It is round red and right arrow red. It means complete stop. You can't go left, right or straight. So just you have to wait. And now it is a right arrow green and red round. It means you can't go straight or left, but you can turn right. Now it is yellow, it means you ready to stop. And now it is red, it means right arrow also stop. Now it is a green round, it means you can go straight. And now it is just green, means you can go right, but you have to give way to the traffic coming from the front. So this is the point where people failed in the driving test. If it is just green and there is no right arrow green, it means you have to give way to any traffic coming from the front. And if it is right arrow green, it means you can go ahead, take right turn without any hesitation. It is your right to go right. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.